the value of rear equal to -1? No, it means, don't you think guys, this condition fails? This condition is not sufficient. This condition is not sufficient to check Q is empty or not, and hence we need to add one more condition over here. Sir, condition क्या लिखेंगे? Please check. If front crosses rear, ये condition हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. Hello friends, are you getting what I'm saying? And hence here we can say, or if front becomes greater than rear, अगर front ने rear को cross किया है, then only we can say Q is, yes, I'm sorry, not here. I'm really sorry. Not here, here. Hello guys. Have you understood this? Have you understood this? If rear, either rear equal to -1 or if front is greater than rear, then we can say Q is full. Sorry, Q is empty. Okay, let me show you with one more example. Pay attention. Let's say if I want to insert element 11, sorry, 111, 222, and 333. Let's say 3 elements are there. So rear कहाँ पे होगा? Rear यहाँ पे होगा, and front is, let's say, initially at 0. Hello guys, are you with me? Are you with me? Right? So in a queue, total, how many number of elements are there as of now? How many number of elements are there? Yes, as of now 3 elements are there. Now if I say I want to delete element from the queue, I want to delete element from the queue. Step number 1, check Q is not empty. So by diagram, is Q is empty? By diagram, is Q is empty? No, by diagram Q is not empty. By condition, is the value of rear equal to -1? No. Is front is greater than rear? No, it means both the conditions are false. It means Q is not empty. We can go to the second step. Increment the value of front by 1. Increment value of front by 1. It means we have deleted one element from the queue. So how many number of elements left in a queue? 2 elements left in the queue, right? Now if I try to delete one more element, again step number 1. If wait, again step number 1. Yes, step number 1. Check each Q is empty. Is Q is empty? No, Q is not empty. If Q is not empty, by diagram as well as by condition, is the value of rear equal to -1? No. Is value of front is greater than rear? No, and hence Q is not empty. And hence we can go to second step. Increment value of front by 1. So value of front becomes 2 now. It means we have deleted one more element from the queue, right? Now if I want to delete one more element from the queue, again follow algorithm. Step number 1, check Q is not empty. By diagram, is Q is empty? By diagram, is Q is empty? No. By condition, is value of rear equal to -1? No. Is front is greater than rear? No. And hence Q is not empty. And hence Q is not empty, right? So can we delete this element? Yes. Delete this element. So इसका मतलब कैसे delete करेंगे? Front plus plus. Increment the value of front by 1. Front plus plus. Delete element, right? Now if we try to delete one more element, yes. Step number 1, check Q is not empty. By diagram, is Q is empty? Yes. By diagram, Q is empty. By condition, is the value of rear equal to -1? No. Go for checking second condition. Is front is greater than rear? Yes. And hence Q is empty. So we cannot go to the second step. Q is empty and we cannot go to second step. Hello friends, have you understood this condition? मैंने आपको ये condition समझने के लिए मैंने element ऐड किए थे और आपको ये दिखाया था. And hence Q empty condition is, this is the Q empty condition. I hope it is clear to all of you. Hello guys, have you understood this? Right? Okay, now pay attention. So at this stage, if I want to insert one more element into the queue, sir, how many number of elements are there in the queue? Can you please tell me? Total, how many number of elements are there in the queue? अरे अभी कितने elements है? 5 कैसे? Right now, 0 number of elements are there in the queue, right? So, sir, हमने 3 element insert किए, 3 delete किए. Now, if I want to insert one more element, can we insert one more? Yes, because Q is not full. Is value of rear equal to size -1? No. So, increment the value of rear by 1. Increment value of rear by 1. Then insert an element at rear position. Is value of front is equal to -1? Is value of front is equal to -1? No. वैल्यू ऑफ फ्रंट इज नॉट -1 एंड हेंस इट रिमेन्स 3 ओनली. वो क्या रहेगा? 3 ही रहेगा, राइट? देन आई वांट टू इंसर्ट वन मोर एलिमेंट. अगेन फर्स्ट स्टेप, इज क्यू इज फुल? Is Q is full? No. By diagram, Q is not full. By condition, is Q is full? No. And hence go to second step. Increment value of rear by 1. Value of rear becomes 4. Value of rear becomes 4. Then third step, insert an element at rear end. So we'll want to insert 555. Then is value of front is equal to -1? No. So it remains 3 only. Now if I try to insert one more element, pay attention, very important. If I try to insert one more element into the Q, step number 1, check Q is not full. By diagram is Q is full? By diagram is Q is full? No. By diagram Q is not full because यहाँ पे जो 3 spaces है, these are the empty spaces, right? So इसका मतलब Q full है क्या? No. सर लेकिन यहाँ पे Q full दिखा रहा है by condition. It means in a linear queue, vacant places cannot be reutilized. और हम लोग ये space फिर से utilize कर सकते हैं क्या? Can be reutilized vacant places? No. This is limitation of a linear queue. This is limitation of linear queue. So what is limitation? Limitation of a linear queue is, yes, we cannot reutilize vacant places in it. Hello friends, and hence to overcome this limitation, yes, circular queue has been designed. Hello guys, have you understood this? आपको लिमिटेशन समझ में आया क्या? As in a linear queue, we cannot reutilize vacant places, right? So to overcome this limitation, circular queue has been designed. Have you understood linear queue? अरे आपको linear queue समझ में आया क्या? Right? So can we move to the next type of queue, that is circular queue? Can we move to the next type of queue, that is circular queue? Right? And hence now we are moving to the circular queue. Now we are moving to the circular queue. Are you with me, friends? Are you with me? Right? If anyone having any doubt, please let me know. If anyone having any doubts, please let me know in a linear queue. Why? Because now we want to move ahead. अरे हमें circular queue देखना है, right? So I hope you people don't have any doubts, and we can go ahead. Hello, friends. I hope there is no doubt, right? Step number 3, yes, step number 4. Just a minute, let me indent this, right? Then this is second operation, DQ operation. This is step number 1, step number 2, and no need of this. Hello guys, are you with me? Are you with me? Sir, if Q not empty and want to add element, if Q is not empty, yes, अगर Q empty नहीं तो हम element add कर सकते हैं. If Q is not empty, then only we can add element. Sorry, if Q is not empty, then only we can delete element, and if Q is not full, then only we can add element, right? Hello Pawan, is this understood? It is very straightforward, right? Ashwini is saying front plus plus equal to delete and rear plus plus equal to add. No. रियर प्लस, सिर्फ रियर प्लस प्लस मतलब ऐड नहीं है. ऐड के टाइम हम लोग रियर को भी प्लस प्लस कर रहे हैं, एंड एट रियर एंड वी आर इंसर्टिंग वैल्यू. हाँ, बट फ्रंट प्लस प्लस, व्हेन वी से ओनली फ्रंट प्लस प्लस, इट मींस वी आर डिलीटिंग एलिमेंट फ्रॉम द क्यू. हेलो, आर यू गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है क्या? इंक्रीमेंट रियर बाय +1 मतलब ऐड करना एलिमेंट? नो. आर यू गेटिंग? अरे सर्कुलर क्यू हमें, मुझे अभी पढ़ना है आपको. दुर्गा, अभी तक मैंने सर्कुलर क्यू स्टार्ट ही नहीं किया है. आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट सर्कुलर क्यू नाउ, राइट? मैंने सिर्फ यहाँ पे कॉपी करके लिया है, सो दैट आई एम गोइंग टू जस्ट डू चेंजेस ओवर हियर. मैं यहाँ पे सिर्फ चेंजेस करने वाला हूँ, दैट्स इट, राइट? सो वी हैव नॉट स्टार्टेड विथ सर्कुलर क्यू येट, राइट? ओके, नो इश्यूज. नाउ कैन वी स्टार्ट? Can we start with a circular queue? Yes, now we can start with circular queue, right? Initially, value of front is what? Initially, value of front is -1. Initially, value of front is -1. Value of rear is as well -1. Hello, friends, are you with me? So, initially, value of front and rear are, yes, -1, -1. Initially, value of front and rear are -1, -1. Right? Okay. Now, again, we are following same algorithm. एक काम करते हैं, यहाँ पे conditions. We'll remove this condition from here. ये कंडीशन यहाँ पे रिमूव करते हैं, राइट? अरे व्हाट, हाउ टू डिसाइड? व्हाट, हाउ टू डिसाइड? रियर एंड फ्रंट, बिकॉज रियर एंड फ्रंट हम लोग क्या 0 1 2 4 करने वाले ना, 0 1 2 3 4, राइट। अगर आपको रियर का वैल्यू इंक्रीमेंट करना है तो 0 का पहले उसका वैल्यू क्या होना चाहिए? इट इज जस्ट लाइक स्टैक एंड लीनियर क्यू। हेलो अपरा, आर यू गेटिंग व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? अगर आपको फ्रंट का वैल्यू 1 से इंक्रीमेंट करना है, रियर का भी वैल्यू 1 से इंक्रीमेंट करना है, एंड इफ इट, अगर आपको इंक्रीमेंट करने के बाद वो 0 चाहिए तो 0 के पहले वो क्या होना चाहिए? -1, राइट। सो इनिशियली फ्रंट एंड रियर वैल्यूज आर -1 -1, right? Okay, now pay attention. What I want to do, I want to, sir, initially can we say if value of rear is equal to -1 and as of now q is empty? As of now can we say q is empty? Yes, as of now we can say q is empty as of now. So what about q full? Q full condition बाद में देखते हैं, q full condition क्या होगा वो देखते हैं बाद में, right? So yet we need to decide it, right? So as of now we'll keep it empty, right? Okay, now what I want to do, I want to insert element into the queue. So again we follow same algorithm. Pay attention, and we do changes wherever required, right? Yes, what is the first step? If I want to insert element into the queue, what is the first step? Check queue is not full. By diagram is queue is full. By diagram is queue is full. Reply me guys quickly. Your reply is must. By diagram is queue is full. Ashwini, आपको queue full कहाँ पे दिख रहा है? By diagram. By diagram queue is not full, right? And hence we can go to the second step. So what is second step? Second step is, yes, increment the value of rear by 1. So what is the value of rear currently? Current value of rear is -1. So if we increment it by 1, it becomes, if we increment it by 1, it becomes 0. It becomes 0, right? Now what is the next step? After becoming 0, next step, insert an element into the queue from rear end, right? Let's say 11. Let's say value 11 we are inserting into the queue. Let's say value 11 we are inserting into the queue. Hello friends, are you with me? Right? Then next step is value of front is equal to -1. Is value of front is equal to -1? Yes, and hence we need to make it as, हमें वो वैल्यू क्या करना है? 0 करना है, and hence value of front also becomes 0. Value of front also becomes 0. Value of front also becomes 0, right? So we have successfully inserted one element into the queue, into circular queue. Now I want to insert one more element. Pay attention. Again follow same algorithm. Check step number 1. Check queue is not full. So by diagram is queue is full? No, by diagram queue is not full. So we can go to the second step. Increment value of rear by 1. Value of rear becomes, value of rear becomes, value of rear becomes 1 now, right? Now if value of rear becomes 1, what is the next step? Insert an element into the queue from rear end. So matlab from one first end we'll insert element. Let's say value of that element is 22. So 22 we are inserting from which end? 22 we are inserting from rear end, that is at index 1, right? Now next step is the value of front is equal to -1. Is value of front is equal to -1? No, it is 0 right now. So it remains 0 only. वो क्या रहेगा? value वो 0 ही रहेगा. It remains 0 only, right? So similarly, how many more number of elements we can insert? 1, 2, 3. 3 more number of elements. It means, let's say, pay attention. यहाँ पे आएगा 33. By following same algorithm, 33, right? Then here we can insert 44, and here we can insert 55. Hello friends, are you with me? So we can insert 5 more number of elements by this way. Now if I try to further insert one more element, if I try to further insert one more element into the queue, please check is queue is full? Yes, queue is full by diagram. By diagram queue is full, right? Yes, value of rear is 4 right now, but don't worry, हमें ये condition नहीं लिखना है. No, this is not, Aditya, this is not the condition because it's a circular queue. Wait, and hence we have not yet decided a condition. We have not yet decided a condition. Are you getting with the help of diagram? आपको diagram से समझ में आ रहा है क्या? Queue is full. Can you people understood that by diagram that queue is full? Yes, right? Now if I want to delete element from the queue, pay attention. If I want to delete element from the queue, what is the first step? Check queue is not empty. So by diagram is queue is empty? By diagram, no, by diagram queue is not empty, right? By condition as well queue is not empty because rear is not -1. So we can increment the value of front by 1. So front ka value currently is what now? 0. If we increment it by 1, it becomes, if we increment it by 1, it becomes 1. It becomes 1, right? It means we have deleted element from the queue. हमने एक element क्या किया? Queue से delete किया है, right? Now I want to insert element into the queue. I want to insert element into the queue. Step number 1, check queue is not full. By diagram is queue is full? By diagram is queue is full? No, by diagram queue is not full. So इसका मतलब वो जो आप बोल रहे थे rear का value 4 वो fail होता है यहाँ पे. By diagram queue is not full, right? So what we can go to second step, increment the value of rear by 1. So but if we say increment the value of rear by 1, what currently its value is? what is the current value of rear? 4. If we say simply rear plus plus and increment the value of rear by 1, it will become 4 का क्या होगा? 5 होगा. But is it expected? Is it expected? No. So what is expected? Expected is that if the value of rear is 4 and if we say incremented by 1, it should become 0. Hello friends, have you understood this? What is expected? वो क्या होना चाहिए? वो 0 होना चाहिए. ये अचीव करना है हमें. सर कैसे करना है? Don't worry, I will tell you later. How to do it? I will tell you. But have you understood what we want to do? क्या करना है समझ में आया क्या आपको? If currently value of rear is 4 and if we say incremented by 1, it should become 0. Right? Okay, वो कैसे करना है मैं आपको बाद में बताता हूँ. As of now we assume. अरे हम लोग अभी assume करते हैं कि अगर वो 4 है and after incrementing it becomes 0. Right? It becomes 0. Right? So value of rear becomes, after incrementing value of rear by 1, its value becomes 0. Third step, insert an element into the queue from rear end. Right? तो सर हम यहाँ पे अभी क्या करेंगे? Element insert करेंगे. Let's say value of an element is 66. Let's say we inserted 66. Right? Now if we try to insert one more element, right? Okay, इसके पहले का एक्सपेक्टेशन, इसके पहले Q full कब था? Q full कब था? सर जब rear का वैल्यू 4 था and front का वैल्यू क्या था? 0. Right? Now again, as a currently value of rear is what? Value of rear is 0. And what is the value of front at this stage? What is the value of front at this stage? Value of front is at this stage is, yes, 1. Right? So it means, can we insert further element into it? अरे हम लोग यहाँ पे अभी element insert कर सकते हैं क्या? No, because Q is full. Q is full. Right? So similarly, if we delete one more element from the Q by incrementing value of front by 1, so can we insert now element into the Q? Can we insert element into the queue? Yes. By incrementing value of rear by 1, we can insert one more element into the queue at rear position. Right? 77 over here. Right? But sir, now if we further try to push element, can we push? No, because please check guys, Q becomes full now. Q becomes full. At this stage, what is the value of rear? At this stage, value of rear is 1. Value of rear is equal to 1. And what is the value of front? 2. Value of front is 2, right? It means, have you observed, notice something guys? So 0 का next position क्या in a circular queue? In a circular queue, next position of 0 is 1. Next position of 1 is 2. Next position of 2 is 3. Next position of 3 is 4. Next position of 4 is 0. Hello friends, are you getting what I'm saying? And hence here we can say, yes, the values of front and rear should get rotate in between. Yes, वो क्या होने चाहिए? Should get rotated in between 0 to size minus 1. Hello guys, right? 0 to 4, very good. It means 4 का next position 0, 0 का next position 1, 1 का next position 2. It means in a circular queue, can we say that yes, if front is at next position of rear, then can we say queue is full? Circular queue is full if front is at next position of rear. Hello friends, have you understood this? In a circular queue, if front is at next position of rear, then we can say it is full. Same as no, अरे ये linear queue जैसा नहीं है. This is not a linear queue. ये circular manner में increment हो रहे हैं values. For 1, in linear queue, values of front and rear are going in a linear fashion. Whereas in a circular queue, it is in a circular manner. Diagram से आपको समझ रहा है? Hello guys, are you getting what I'm saying? Right? Okay. So pay attention. Have you understood this condition? आपको ये condition समझ में आया क्या? Q full condition. Hello friends, अभी मुझे बाकी की possibilities मत पूछो. As of now, just please tell me, have you understood this condition? Q full condition. So if circular Q, if front is at next position of rear, then we can say Q is full. Right? It means, can we say like this? If front is equal to rear plus 1. Hello friends, can we say like this? If front is equal to rear plus 1. Right? But don't you think guys, sir, this expression will fail? ये expression से इसका मतलब अगर LHS equal to RHS तो हम बोलेंगे Q is full. But this expression will fail for these values. Rear का value क्या है? Rear का value 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. And front का value 0. So is 0 is equal to 5? Is 0 is equal to 5? No. And hence we will not want to use this condition as it is. हम लोग यहाँ पे एक logic use करने वाले हैं, modular size. So we will want to use one more logic over here, modular size. Right? Sir, ये कैसे होगा देखो, pay attention. Now for वैल्यू ऑफ रियर इज इक्वल टू 0, सर रियर का नेक्स्ट पोजीशन, 0 का नेक्स्ट पोजीशन, हेलो फ्रेंड्स, 0 का नेक्स्ट पोजीशन पता मुझे क्या है, 1. सो इज फ्रंट इज एट नेक्स्ट पोजीशन ऑफ, इज फ्रंट इज एट नेक्स्ट पोजीशन ऑफ रियर, next position of rear, yes. So what it means, q is, what it means, q is full, right? It means, pay attention sir, for this condition क्या आना चाहिए, LHS must be equal to RHS. hello guys, LHS must be equal to RHS. सर वो कैसे, प्लीज चेक. फ्रंट का वैल्यू कोई बताया मुझे क्या है, यहाँ पे फ्रंट का वैल्यू 1, तो यहाँ पे फ्रंट का वैल्यू 1 रिप्लेस करते, इक्वल टू रियर का वैल्यू क्या है, रियर का वैल्यू 0, राइट? सो हियर विल राइट 0 plus 1 mod. So what is the value of size? What is the value of size? 5. Array का size 5 है ना, right? And hence we can go to the next step. We can go to the next step. Yes. 0 plus 1 is what? 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 mod 5. Hello friends, 1 mod 5. 1 mod 5 answer is 1. Right? Is LHS equal to RHS? LHS equal to RHS. It means, is it showing Q is full? Hello friends, for these values, is this expression is showing Q is full? Yes. For these values, expression shows that LHS equal to RHS and Q is full, right? Now we are moving to the next value. Yes, pay attention, very important. Sir, if value of rear is 1, what is next position of 1? 1 का next position क्या होता है? 2, very good. Next position of 1 is 2. So if we replace value of front as 2, if we replace value of front as 2 and value of rear as, if we replace value of front as 2 and value of rear as 1, yes, 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 2 mod 5. 2 mod 5, answer is 2. Is LHS equal to RHS? Yes. It means again it is showing that Q is full. Again it is showing that Q is full. Hello friends, are you with me? Now for another possible values, if value of rear is 2, what is next position of 2? 2 का next position 3, right? So can we say front is at next position of rear? Yes. तो सर इसके लिए भी क्या आना चाहिए? For these values as well, it should give us LHS equal to RHS, which indicates Q is full. So if we replace value of, yes, if we replace values of, sorry, front is equal to 3, right? And rear equal to, अब बोलो rear का value replace करेंगे 2, right? So 2 plus 1, result is 3. So 3 mod 5, answer is 3. Is 3 is equal to 3? Yes. So LHS equal to RHS, which indicates Q is full, right? Now for next value, if value of rear is 3, 3 का next position, 3 का next position 4, very good. So for this again it should give us LHS equal to RHS. So if we replace the value as 4, 4 and 4, right? And if we replace value of rear as 3, 3 plus 1, अब बोलो 3 plus 1 क्या आएगा आंसर? 4. And what is the result of 4 mod 5? Result of 4 mod 5 is 4. So is LHS equal to RHS? Yes. And hence in this case as well we are getting Q as full, right? Now very interesting guys, pay attention. So but what if value of rear is 0? Sorry, 0 नहीं यहाँ पे 4 ना? Value of rear is 4. So what is the next position of 4? Next position of 4 is what? 0, right? And value of front is 0. So can we say front is at next position of rear? Yes. So for these values as well, it should give us LHS equal to RHS. So if you replace the value of front as 0, 0 and 0, and now please note guys here, if you replace value of rear as 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 mod 5, answer is 0. Are we getting LHS equal to RHS? Yes. And hence here we can say Q is full. Hello friends, are you getting? Right? And hence this is a condition we can write for Q full. हम ये Q full के लिए ये यहाँ पे condition लिख सकते हैं. That if front is equal to rear plus 1 mod size, we can say Q is full. So yes, if front is at next position of rear, we can say circular Q is full. I hope you people have understood this. Hello guys, have you understood this? Right? Okay, now pay attention. अब ये increment का देखते हैं, increment का. Say, please check guys, when we say rear plus plus, do you people know when we say rear plus plus how it will get resolved? When we say rear plus plus, how it gets resolved? It gets resolved like this. Rear is equal to rear plus 1. Hello friends, do you agree with this? So when we say rear plus plus, it gets resolved like this. Rear is equal to rear plus 1, right? Now we'll not want to use rear plus plus this expression. हम लोग इंक्रीमेंट करने के लिए एक्सप्रेशन ये यूज नहीं करेंगे. We'll use rear is equal to into bracket rear plus 1 mod size. Hello friends, are you getting what I'm saying? So to increment value of rear by 1, we will use this statement. Sir, is this statement will work? Yes, please check. For value of rear equal to 0, and if we say incremented by 1, 0 का क्या होना चाहिए friends? If currently value of rear is 0, and if we say incremented by 1, it should become, hello friends, in our case, if value of rear is 0, if we say incremented by 1, it should become 1. If it is 1, it should become 2. If it is 2, it should become 3. If it is 3, it should become 4. If it is 4, it should become 0 and not 5. अरे हमें यही अचीव करना है ना, right? And hence we're going to use this expression for increment, right? Pay attention how it works now. Pay attention how it works now, right? So 0 का क्या होना चाहिए? 0 का होना चाहिए 1, right? So if we replace the value over here, yes, rear का value 0 plus 1 mod 5, 1 mod 5. अब बोलो क्या आएगा आंसर? 1 mod 5. 1 mod 5 answer is 1. So is value of rear is getting incremented by 1. 0 का 1 हो रहा है क्या? Is value of rear is getting incremented by 1 by this expression? Yes, right? Now for value of rear equal to 1, for value of rear is equal to 1, after incrementing it should become 2. Very good. So if we use this expression, right, same expression, तो सर यहाँ पे instead of rear का value replace करेंगे 1. 1 plus 1 answer is 2. 2 mod 5 answer is 2. So is it getting incremented by 1? Yes, it is getting incremented by 1. So for value of rear is equal to 2, and if we say incremented by 1, it should become 3. So if we replace the value of rear by 2 over here, 2 plus 1 3. So 3 mod 5 is 3. Similarly, for if value of rear is 3, and if we say incremented by 1, it should become, बोलो क्या होना चाहिए? वो 4 होना चाहिए, right? And very interesting guys, if it is 4, and if we say increment it by 1,